right-angled triangle with legs 4 and 12. The line is drawn from the upper vertex so that the horizontal segment length is equal to 2. What is the yellow angle? Solution. Draw segment of length 6 from the right vertex. And then draw vertical line till the intersection with the hypotenuse. The length of this vertical segment is equal to 6 multiplied by 4 over 12. So it is 2. Connect the point of intersection with the right side of the horizontal interval. So we have the pink and the blue triangle and the yellow triangle. The pink and the blue triangles are equal by 2 sides and right angle between them. So the yellow triangle is isosceles and it is right angled because yellow angle plus green angle are equal to 90 degrees. So yellow angle is 180 minus 90 or 90 degrees. So the other two angles are equal by 45 degrees.